Welcome to our channel. If you're tired of the hassle of manual pool cleaning and want to enjoy more time swimming and relaxing, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top best robot pool cleaners for 2025, designed to make your pool maintenance effortless and efficient. From cutting-edge AI navigation to energy-saving performance, these smart devices are redefining pool care. Whether you have a compact above-ground pool or a sprawling in-ground setup, we've got something for everyone. Expect powerful suction, advanced filtration systems, and user-friendly designs that deliver sparkling results with minimal effort. We'll walk you through their key features, pros, and cons, helping you find the perfect fit for your needs and budget. Let's explore the future of pool cleaning technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more top-notch product reviews. Number 5. WBOT Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The WBOT Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner brings a new level of ease and efficiency to pool maintenance, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords and constant monitoring. This sleek, autonomous cleaner operates entirely on a rechargeable battery, offering up to 90 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. Designed for simplicity, it's as easy as placing it in the pool and letting it do the work. Its powerful suction and efficient dual-motor system target debris from leaves to sand, keeping pool floors spotless. The cleaner's intelligent navigation system ensures it covers the entire pool area without missing a spot, adapting to different surfaces with ease. Once the battery is low, it automatically parks by the pool's edge for easy retrieval. Ideal for pools up to 500 square feet, the WBOT cordless cleaner is lightweight, portable, and remarkably low maintenance. With this robot, pool cleaning becomes a hassle-free, hands-off experience that leaves your pool sparkling and ready to enjoy anytime. Number 4. Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner transforms pool care into an effortless routine with its smart design and powerful performance. Completely cord-free, this robotic cleaner runs on a long-lasting rechargeable battery, allowing up to 90 minutes of efficient cleaning. Equipped with dual-drive motors and strong suction, the Aiper easily collects dirt, leaves, and sand from your pool's floor. It's designed to navigate around the entire pool with precision, thanks to its advanced self-parking technology, which directs it to the pool's edge when the battery runs low, making retrieval simple. The lightweight build makes it easy to handle and store, while the easy-to-clean filter compartment streamlines maintenance. Ideal for pools up to 538 square feet, it adapts well to different pool surfaces and shapes. For those seeking a dependable, user-friendly solution to pool cleaning, the Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner offers impressive results, delivering a consistently fresh, debris-free pool without the hassle of manual scrubbing. Number 3. Polaris Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner redefines pool cleaning with powerful features designed for thorough, hands-free performance. This advanced cleaner takes on everything from dirt to fine debris, thanks to its robust suction and efficient scrubbing brushes that tackle pool floors, walls, and even tile lines. Its intelligent navigation system optimizes every cleaning cycle, covering every inch of your pool with ease and efficiency. With an extra-large debris canister, you won't need to interrupt cleanings to empty it as often, making it ideal for large pools or heavy leaf fall. The Polaris Sport operates quietly and is surprisingly energy efficient, running on a plug-and-play system that's easy to set up and use. Once cleaning is complete, it quickly retreats to the edge for simple retrieval. Durable and low maintenance, the Polaris Sport offers an elevated pool cleaning experience, leaving your pool sparkling and swim-ready without any of the usual hassle or manual labor. This model is perfect for anyone looking to simplify pool maintenance with premium results. Number 2. Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner is a game-changer for pool owners seeking effortless, high-quality cleaning. Built for power and precision, the E50 goes beyond the basics with dual scrubbing brushes and strong suction, tackling stubborn dirt, algae, and fine debris across floors, walls, and water lines. Its smart navigation technology maps out each cleaning session, ensuring comprehensive coverage without wasted movements or missed spots. The cleaner's large top-loading filter basket handles significant debris without frequent emptying, ideal for busy pool areas or heavier leaf loads. Plus, with Wi-Fi compatibility, you can control and schedule cleaning sessions right from your smartphone, adding a layer of convenience to your pool care routine. Energy efficient and quiet, the Dolphin E50 is a plug-and-play solution, taking the manual labor out of pool maintenance while delivering a consistent, thorough clean. This robust cleaner keeps your pool crystal clear, so you can spend less time worrying about maintenance and more time enjoying the water. Number 1. Aiper Scuba S1 Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Aiper Scuba S1 Pool Cleaner offers a fantastic, hands-free solution for keeping your pool spotless with minimal effort. This cordless robot is designed to make pool cleaning as simple as possible, operating on a rechargeable battery for up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning. With powerful suction and a reliable filtration system, it efficiently picks up everything from dirt and leaves to smaller debris, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, while its intuitive navigation system ensures it covers the entire pool floor without missing a spot. One of its standout features is the self-parking function, which brings the cleaner to the edge of the pool when the battery runs low, so you can easily retrieve it. Ideal for small to medium-sized pools, the Aiper Scuba S1 is the perfect companion for anyone looking to reduce the time spent on pool maintenance. It's an affordable, user-friendly option that delivers impressive results with minimal effort. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top best robot pool cleaners of 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect cleaner to keep your pool sparkling all season long. All the products featured in this video are available in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative and tech-savvy reviews of the top products on the market. Also, let us know your favorite in the comments, your feedback matters.